What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're gonna start by fixing this handlebar. I got my repair handlebar, I got my replacement handlebar, and also my fairings just came in, so I'm gonna start working on those as well. Literally, there's nothing left remaining for the Aprilia. The only thing missing is the radiator cap, which I haven't been able to find it. Well, I found it, but I didn't want to pay 30 bucks to go to the dealer and buy a fucking radiator cap. So I was trying to be cheap, try to find it on eBay for $10. I bought one, didn't fit. It was a little bit too big, so I'm gonna have to return it. I haven't returned it yet. Went ahead to the Aprilia dealership, just went ahead and bought a radiator cap. It should be arriving about Monday or Tuesday, hopefully. I don't want to wait any longer. I've been waiting on this bike for so long. The fairings took forever to arrive. I'll be showing you guys how it looks. It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. It's a good, for the price I paid, it's good. The quality is good. The paint work, it's good. No, I didn't want to spend $1,500 to buy some fairings, OEM fairings, so just went ahead and China best route. So let's get started with this. So this currently is the problem that I'm receiving with the bike. It's burning a lot. It's burning a lot of oil, and I just did an oil change on it, and it's dripping oil. But it's dripping kind of like. Maybe we can capture that. First, it was like kind of like green, gray type of. Now it's getting black. But I'm gonna have to run it and see if it just burns out. I was told that it was just oil that leaked through the throttle body, but I'm gonna have to leave it running. Hopefully it burns out all the oil, and all the oil comes out of the throttle body. But I don't have a radiator cap right now. It got stolen or whatever during the auction, so I'm gonna have to wait for one to come by, and I'm just gonna be turning it on and off occasionally so it doesn't overheat. What's up, guys? We're gonna be working on putting the fairings on the RSV4. As you can see right here, I have my fairings. Mine arrived from China. It took a while. Let me say it that way. So I purchased it on January 20th. Why get it? The whole New Year's in China was going on, so it delayed the process. Then the coronavirus happened and all that delayed. So it took me 2 months to receive my parts. So I already inspected them. They're fine. They look good. Not perfect, but they look good for the price I paid. I'd rather pay 450 bucks for it rather than paying over 1,500. So that's out of the question. Looks good for me for the price. So let's get to it.